This video was created by a student's request from my online practical bespoke trouser making course, and I decided to share it on YouTube because I guess some of you might have the same question at some point. Okay, here I have trousers I almost finished, and I managed to find inexpensive suspenders or braces at my studio to make this video. They come with a set of 6 plastic buttons. If you or your client are not happy with the color or quality of the buttons that come with suspenders, you may switch them for better ones, for example, Corozo, Horn, or mother of pearl buttons like I have here. So, this is the center of trousers. It can be a crease line, as in my case, or a pleat. And the first button goes right at the position of the crease line. From this marking, step 8 cm towards the side seam. So here is 8 cm or 3 inches and a quarter. From the top edge of the waistband, mark 2.5 cm or 1 inch. And the measurements on the back part are the same. We just mark them from the center back seam, 4 cm one side and another 4 cm go here. So we get the same 8 cm or 3 inches and a quarter. The positioning from the waistband edge down is the same, 2.5 cm or 1 inch. Let's talk about attaching a button. Of course, while sewing on a button, you cannot go through all the layers. The attachment thread should not be visible on the right side of a waistband. On the other hand, attaching a button only to the waistband lining is also not a great idea, because this single layer of fabric will get torn pretty quickly and may result in replacing the entire waistband lining. So while sewing on the button, we have to go deep enough to catch the interlining that is inside the waistband. Also, I recommend you using the thread that matches the color of the waistband lining, but I'll be using a contrast one so you could see everything better. Here is a tip. To make sure you won't drive the needle through all the layers, bend the waistband over your finger, and it will be easier for you to feel how deep a needle goes. Hold the button like this. It will add a couple of millimeters, automatically creating a shank. You will see how it works in a moment. So we attached a button on a shank, and we need that because this leather part of suspenders has a certain width we have to take into consideration. Check out this cute handmade buttonhole I made on these trousers. By the way, if you always dreamt of learning how to make bespoke garments such as trousers, shirts or jackets completely from scratch, email or DM me on Instagram to enroll into big and practical online courses. All contact information is in the description. If this video was helpful, you may support the channel by donating a cup of coffee. I appreciate it a lot. And if you have any questions on bespoke tailoring, feel free to ask them in the comment section. See you in the next one. Take care.